Since developing the first SBS modified asphalt for roofing applications more than half a century ago, Siplast has been helping to protect some of the most unique and iconic structures across North America. Siplast SBS membrane products are available in a range of application options that are installed as part of a two-ply multi-layer roof system. The roof system includes the deck, insulation, flashing, fasteners, and membrane, all chosen to address a range of project challenges. In this video, we'll focus on 3 application methods used for the SBS membranes and the benefits of each: cold adhesive, torch, and self-adhesive. Cold adhesive application. Cold adhesive application is ideal for schools, hospitals, complex roofs, tight sites, and environmentally sensitive areas where fire risk, fumes, and occupant disruption must be avoided. Our cold adhesive products are applied using a squeegee or spray equipment. To ensure long-term adhesion strength, it is critical to monitor the adhesive usage rates, allow for proper flashing time, and minimize the traffic over newly applied sheets. In addition, the small package sizes and limited equipment needed to install cold process roof systems make them easy to apply on buildings with limited roof access, and they can be transported using elevators instead of cranes or heavy equipment. Torch-applied application. Torch application is a fast, efficient application process where an open flame torch is used to heat the modified bitumen sheet and activate the self-contained adhesive layer of the membrane. Torch application provides your roof system an immediate watertight seal from the elements. Utilizing the torch application method results in a consistent roofing surface without the use of external adhesive, keeping your project cleaner. Though the torch application produces some fumes, they are less than the fumes produced with hot asphalt applications. Torch-applied roofing offers great flexibility and durability as the sheets expand and contract with the temperature changes. The increased durability and resistance to water damage make this roofing system longer lasting than some other systems. Finally, torch-applied roofs are easier to repair when compared to other roofs, as they roll on and can be sealed quickly, requiring less labor and expense. The system's durability, low maintenance, and longevity can result in a lower total cost of ownership over its service life. Self-adhesive application. Self-adhesive roofing systems utilize a simple peel and stick installation that can be quicker and safer to install than other methods. Having the adhesive built into the membrane requires you only remove and release the film from the adhesive side of the product and stick it in place. The end and side laps are then heat fused with a hand or robotic welder to complete the application. The SA Cap's unique dual-sanded selvage design significantly improves field efficiency and installation quality by enabling clean, secure heat welding for strong, watertight seals at lap seams. Self-adhesive systems are easy to conform to a roof shape, as they can be quickly cut and scraps can be repurposed for any patching or flashing needs, reducing overall waste for the project. This product is also ideal for higher slope applications and can even be used on wall flashings. Self-adhesive roofing systems can have more significant long-term savings versus other systems due to their reduced installation times and lower costs for maintenance. Siplast makes it easy to turn your project vision into a reality. We provide supporting guide specs, commercial product data sheets, and white papers for our SBS products. Opportunities for continuing education and expert support are also available to help you solve even the toughest roofing, waterproofing, and building enclosure challenges. When choosing the right application method for your project, make sure you consider longevity of multiply redundancy, durability and maintenance, life cycle cost, flexibility and ease of installation, weather and UV resistance, environmental friendliness options. To learn more about application methods and coverage rates, you can reference the Siplast SBS brochure or product installation guides on the Siplast website.